Shane. The Shane you're referring to is most likely the Shane EV concept, a futuristic two-wheeled electric car designed by Shane Chen, the inventor of the hoverboard. Two giant wheels, instead of the usual four wheels, the Shane EV has two massive 60-inch wheels positioned parallel to each other. This gives it a unique and futuristic look, almost like a supersized hoverboard. Self-balancing. Similar to Chen's hoverboard invention, the Shane EV uses gyroscopes and other sensors to maintain balance automatically. This allows it to turn and maneuver without the need for a traditional steering wheel. 5-seater. Despite its unusual design, the Shane EV can comfortably accommodate 5 passengers in a spacious cabin. Top speed. The estimated top speed is around 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour. Range. The expected range is about 300 miles, 480 kilometers on a single charge. Safety. Chen has stated that the Shane EV will be equipped with a variety of safety features, including airbags and autonomous emergency braking. Arosno E-Trace. Arosno E-Trace snow bike. The E-Trace is the world's first electric snow bike, and it looks like a lot of fun. It's basically a combination of a mountain bike and a snowmobile, with 2 wide skis instead of wheels and an electric motor that provides pedal assist up to 16 miles per hour. The E-Trace is made from high-quality aluminum alloy and has a comfortable ergonomic seat. It also has front suspension for a smooth ride over bumps and jumps. The skis are made from UHMWPE, a durable material that's designed to handle even the most challenging snow conditions. The E-Trace is still in pre-order, but it's expected to start shipping in early 2024. The price is €5,999, about $6,700, which is a bit steep, but if you're looking for a unique and fun way to enjoy the snow, the E-Trace could be worth the investment. Daymak Spiritus. The Daymak Spiritus is a pretty amazing piece of machinery, wouldn't you say? It's a fully electric, 3-wheeled car that boasts some seriously impressive features. Speed. The Spiritus Ultimate zooms from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-blowing 1.8 seconds, making it the fastest 3-wheeled car on the planet. Even the deluxe version isn't shabby, reaching 60 in 5.9 seconds. Range. Depending on the model, the Spiritus can travel up to 300 miles on a single charge, which is pretty decent for an electric car. Tech. The Spiritus is packed with tech, including a solar panel roof for trickle charging, a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and even an optional cryptocurrency mining rig. Design. The Spiritus has a unique and eye-catching design, with its enclosed cockpit and 3 wheels. It definitely turns heads when it drives by. Price. The Spiritus isn't exactly cheap, with the Ultimate model starting at a cool $149,000. Kwiggle folding bike. The Kwiggle folding bike is a unique and interesting option in the world of portable bikes. Extremely compact, when folded, the Kwiggle takes up just 55 liters of space, making it the smallest folding bike on the market. This allows you to easily store it in a backpack, trunk, or even under your desk. Lightweight, weighing in at only 9 to 10 kilograms, the Kwiggle is easy to carry and maneuver. This is a major advantage compared to many other folding bikes, which can be quite heavy and bulky. Unique folding mechanism. The Kwiggle folds in a unique way that doesn't require you to remove the wheels. This makes it quick and easy to fold and unfold, even on the go. Internal drivetrain. The Kwiggle's drivetrain is housed inside the frame, which protects it from dirt and wear and tear. This also contributes to the bike's compact size. Kwiggle folding bikes start at €1,200 for the base model, but the price can go up depending on the configuration you choose. Monowheel. A monowheel, also known as a uni-wheel, is a one-wheeled vehicle with the rider enclosed within the large, hollow wheel. Unlike a unicycle, where the rider sits directly on top of the wheel, a monowheel has a cockpit or cabin inside the wheel itself. Monowheels are typically powered by an engine, similar to a motorcycle, and have a chassis that secures the steering, driver's seat, and propulsion mechanism to the interior of the wheel. Safety concerns: monowheels can be dangerous, especially for inexperienced riders. The lack of stability and the potential for tipping over can lead to serious injuries. The fastest monowheel in the world can reach speeds of over 60 miles per hour. Monowheels have been featured in a number of movies and TV shows, including Star Wars and Back to the Future. Rezvani Hercules 6x6. The Rezvani Hercules 6x6 is a high-performance, armored, six-wheeled truck produced by Rezvani Motors. It is based on the Ram 1500 TRX, but has been heavily modified to create a truly unique and capable vehicle. The Hercules 6x6 is powered by a 7.0-liter supercharged V8 engine that produces 1,300 horsepower and 1,300 lb-ft of torque. This engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and sends power to all six wheels. The Hercules 6x6 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds and has a top speed of 200 miles per hour. The Hercules 6x6 is available in both civilian and military configurations. The civilian version is equipped with a variety of luxury features, including leather seats, a sunroof, and a premium sound system. The military version is equipped with ballistic armor, run-flat tires, and a variety of other military-grade features. The Rezvani Hercules 6x6 is a truly unique and capable vehicle. It is the perfect choice for anyone who needs a high-performance, armored, six-wheeled truck. Poimo. Poimo is made from a durable thermoplastic polyurethane, TPU, that can be inflated in a matter of minutes using a small pump. Once inflated, it looks a bit like a cross between a scooter and a pool float. Lightweight and compact, when deflated, Poimo folds up small enough to fit in a backpack. This makes it perfect for city dwellers who need to get around quickly and easily. Electric motor. Poimo has a built-in electric motor that can propel you at speeds of up to 12 miles per hour. Wireless controller. You can control Poimo using a wireless controller that fits in your hand. Customizable. Poimo is still under development, but the creators are planning to make it customizable. This means that you'll be able to choose the color, size, and even the shape of your Poimo. Range. Poimo has a range of about 6 miles on a single charge. Safety features. Poimo has a number of safety features, including brakes, lights, and a horn. GFG Style Kangaroo. The GFG Style Kangaroo is a two-seater, electric hyper-SUV concept car designed by GFG Style, a company founded by legendary car designer Giorgetto Giugiaro. It was unveiled in 2019 and quickly gained attention for its unique design and capabilities. Named after the animal for its ability to adapt to different terrains, the Kangaroo has a variable ride height that can be adjusted to 3 settings: racing, road, and off-road. The Kangaroo is powered by 4 electric motors that produce a combined 680 horsepower and 854 lb-ft of torque. It has a top speed of 250 km per hour, 155 miles per hour, and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.8 seconds. The battery has a range of 50 kilometers, 31 miles, on a single charge. The Kangaroo has all-wheel drive and all-wheel steering, which gives it excellent handling and grip on any surface. It also has a number of other features that make it a true hypercar, such as carbon fiber brakes, active aerodynamics, and a heads-up display. Underwater Wheelchair Ballet. Underwater wheelchair ballet is a truly mesmerizing and transformative art form that redefines the boundaries of movement and expression. Imagine a dancer gracefully gliding through the weightless embrace of water, not on their feet, but in a specially adapted wheelchair. This is the essence of underwater wheelchair ballet. Pioneered by artists like Sue Austin, this art form challenges our perception of disability and celebrates the human spirit's boundless potential for creativity. The wheelchair, often seen as a symbol of limitation, becomes a tool for liberation and artistic expression. Equipped with propellers and stabilizers, the wheelchair transforms into an underwater chariot, allowing dancers to perform breathtaking maneuvers and create fluid, ethereal movements. The underwater wheelchairs used in ballet are specially adapted with propellers, rudders, and buoyancy control systems. Dancers often wear colorful costumes and makeup that enhance their movements and create a visually stunning spectacle. Performances can be accompanied by music either live or recorded, adding another layer of emotion and storytelling. Bugatti CENTODIECI. The Bugatti CENTODIECI is a limited edition hypercar produced by French automotive manufacturer Bugatti. The car is a homage to the Bugatti EB110 and a celebration of the Bugatti marque's 110th birthday. It was revealed on August 16, 2019 at the Kwiggle, a motorsports gathering in California, United States. The CENTODIECI is based on the Bugatti Chiron, but has an all-new body that evokes the spirit of the EB110 SS supercar that was commissioned while Bugatti was in the hands of its Italian former owner. The CENTODIECI's body is made entirely of carbon fiber, which helps to reduce weight and improve performance. The car is also 20 kilograms lighter than the Chiron, thanks to a number of weight-saving measures, including a titanium exhaust system and carbon fiber wheels.